Question number 1. If apple is coded as ZOOKD, then orange is coded as. The right answer is option B. Question number 2. Tiger, cat, then eagle is what? The right answer is option A, bird. Question number 3. If 1st January is Tuesday, what day of the week is 15th January? The right answer is option B, Thursday. Question number 4. What is the square root of 144? The right answer is option B, 12. Question number 5. Pen, paper, then spoon is. The right answer is option C, plate. Question number 6. If 15th August is a Thursday, what day of the week is 25th August? The right answer is option A, Saturday. Question number 7. Some roses are red, all violets are blue, therefore. The right answer is option D, some violets are red. Question number 8. What is 25% of 80? The right answer is option B, 20. Question number 9. If 1st March is a Friday, what day of the week is 8th March? The right answer is option A, Friday. Question number 10. All dogs are animals. Some animals are cats. Therefore. The right answer is option A. Some cats are dogs. Question number 11. What is 3 by 5 as a decimal? The right answer is option C, 0.6. Question number 12. If mango is coded as PKIAR, then orange is coded as. The right answer is option C. Question number 13. If 4th July is a Wednesday, what day of the week is 4th August? The right answer is option A, Saturday. Question number 14. All apples are fruits. Some fruits are bananas. Therefore, the right answer is option D. Some bananas are fruits. Question number 15. What is 15th percent of 200? The right answer is option B, 30.